matching her career high. 24 points built on 22 attacks, 1 block, and 1 service A. So napag-usapan natin Reyna. Can you just share yung siguro yung may added responsibility amongst the wing spikers and everyone to deliver lalo na sa scoring department, especially with 2 of your key players sidelined for today's match?
Ayun nga po, sinabi ko kanina, nag-step up lang po and inabahol ko lang po yung responsibilidad ko sa loob ng court. Yung panalo is para po kay Angge and kay El. Yun yung naging motivation po namin.
Thank you for that, Jonah. Shift first to the captain, Pepito. You had 28 excellent digs and 9 excellent receptions. So just being the leader, being the captain of the team, especially in the third set, diba? How were you able to keep the team in shape para at least yung fourth set maipanalo the way you did the first 2?
Siguro, niremind ko lang din talaga yung team na kung bakit, kung sino yung pinagugutan namin, yun nga kung para kanino itong kailangan namin ipanalo. And ayun, luckily na response naman po sila ng positive.
Thank you for that, Tete. We have Cassie Carvalho here with 19 excellent sets, 6 points built on 3 attacks, 1 block, and 2 service aces. So, just for you, what went right nung sets 1 and 2 and also no set 4 and yun, how were you just able to recover after that extended set?
Talagang tinabaho na din po talaga namin yung larong ko. And yun nga, yung sinasabi din ni Jet and nila Adedok na inaalay namin yung game na to para kay Angge and them. So, talagang nag-step up rin yung mga nag-feel ng shoes nila. So, ayun, thankful kasi nanalo and yan na nang nilaro.
Thank you for that. And lastly, Regina Orado also posted 24 points. 21 attacks and 3 blocks. May pagbulong muna. Okay. So, Regina, the first team to reach 10 wins, parang after that in your game, yun ulit, paangat ulit. At the same time, nagiging steady, parang steady pa rin tingnan. So, what has been siguro the key for the team, especially after that loss to NU?
I-remind lang siguro namin na since simula naman ng start ng season, wala naman talaga kaming expectations. So, ever since yung loss, for us, parang kinailangan din talaga namin yan para magising din and ma-realize yung mga lapses pa namin na dapat talaga namin pagtunan ng pansin. And gratefully naman na kahit pa paano, na panindigan naman namin yung sinasabi namin na magbabawi talaga.
Thank you for that.